Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now for today's video, we're going to teach you how to use your Apple or Android mobile phone as a Wi-Fi adapter or mobile data provider to your laptop or PC. Now as you can see here with my PC, I don't have an internet connection since almost all of the PC in the market doesn't come with a pre-installed Wi-Fi adapter. Now to proceed with our next step, go ahead and connect your mobile phone to your PC using the USB cord or Lightning cable for your Apple device. Then, from your mobile phone, simply navigate to Settings menu, then type the word tethering. Go ahead and click the USB tethering. Now as you can see, I cannot access my USB tethering feature since my data saving mode is activated, so I'll just simply switch it off for me to regain the access of the USB tethering features. Go ahead, mobile data saving device, switch off. Now once done, we'll go back ahead to the USB tethering settings by searching it right here. Type tethering. So just go ahead and click tethering, and as you can hear, the laptop has already recognized the connection between the PC and the mobile device. Now it's just reading the newly established connection, and as you can see now, just click yes for this network to be able to access your mobile phone. And from there, that's basically it. You have already activated your USB tethering and now you are connected to the network. Now to check, let us open this Google Chrome and go ahead and navigate to YouTube. Now unlike from the start of the video, we now have an internet connection. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video and I hope this helps you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more updates. Thank you.